to my channel. Thanks for dropping by. We've got an interesting video today. It's a little bit on a DIY side, but I'm hoping that you will love this. As you can see, this mirror here, I've made it my own. So I have this black mirror. It's an old one and it's just sitting around in the house. So I was just thinking, I've been wanting to have, like they call it, a haloed mirror with lights around it. So I don't want to spend too much money because they're quite expensive when I check it online. So I was thinking, like, I have a mirror laying at home, and so why not do it myself? So that's what our video is all about today, and I hope you like it. Okay, let's go. Excuse the mess in the background. So that's what it looks like, and then you can just turn the lights up. Wow, that's too bright. And then you can turn it off and on. Just dim it. So this is my DIY mirror. It's not just touch, there's a switch where you can adjust the brightness, but this one is just a touch. So I prepared this one because I don't like to hear the click noise. Click, 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 click. Okay, and I have this tray. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave the link below if you're interested of purchasing one for yourself. And so I'm gonna put that there to hide it, and these are all my perfumes on the side. Or maybe I could just put it because I think it's just too crowded. Just put it there. But I will probably leave that there. Make a reminder. And just some lights. And this, I don't know, I might need to find a place for this order box. These are just the makeup that I use when I go somewhere. Just my blush and this and that one and the CC. And that's it really for my daily use. And I just put the rest in here. So I need to find, I'll close that. And for the meantime, that I don't have container, hold on. Yeah, for the meantime that I don't have something. I need to purchase another box, and this is for my brushes, and maybe I'll put some cotton in here, some buds, and maybe some, you know, the sponge applicator. I'll leave all the link below, what I have purchased from Amazon, so just in case you want to do what I'm doing and purchase all this stuff. So basically I've just spent, the lights are £18. This is more expensive, but you can buy a cheaper one because it's a touchpad. It's not those switch that you can just click to adjust the brightness. And this tray, I think, well, anyway, I can't remember, guys. And this one I got it from Amazon as well, the lipstick organizer. This includes with the with a box, then some 3 drawers. Right, and this is my old one, and that's just, and these lights, there's 14 bulbs I think in one, so perfect. So that's what it looks like, guys. I just had a shower now and be ready for bed. So I put all my sorry about my voice. Put all my lotion, hand lotion, my perfume on the side. Can't talk. And those are my serums, my Vaseline, and my 2 creams. And as I put my, well, I just put the ones that I normally use. You know, the daily use, like the CC cream, my, what's it called? I'm too tired because I can't. My head is blank. My mascara, my concealer, and my liners, and of course I put my cotton buds there. Cotton buds, my pads, brushes. I need to find a place for this, and that's just my makeup remover, and that's it. It's so pretty. I quite like how it how it turns out. So yeah, it's that bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go to bed and get some sleep. Good night.